A pastry bag is the little black dress of the kitchen, whether the meal is 3 courses of extravagant food or a simple weeknight dinner. When a pastry bag is part of the process, the experience becomes a special occasion. If you want to know what types of piping bags are available and how to find the one that will suit your needs the best, just keep on watching. Number 1. Thickened Disposable Pastry Bag Icing Piping Bag, the RICCLE. Piping bags allow you to decorate a large number of cakes or big cakes for parties easily because of its large size of 32 by 20 centimeters. Besides, you won't need to change bags or make them full frequently. You will be satisfied with these bags' ruggedness because it is 0.04 mm thick and does not burst when used even under high pressure. The transparent design is a great idea to help you observe the color of frosting inside and estimate the amount of them. Also, it is a disposable product, so you do not waste any time cleaning up. Large size 32 by 20 centimeters, time saving as simple as throwing a use bag, suitable for many kinds of cakes, thick enough for avoiding burst, no time cleaning up. Another thing you don't want to do is continuously fill the piping bag while you're decorating. These have a large capacity and wide opening at 16 inches. An added bonus with this set is the extras that come with it. In addition to 100 piping bags, you get 8 decorating tips, 1 coupler and 3 bag ties. This is the perfect starter set to perfect your piping skills. Pros: perfect size for decorating big cakes. Don't worry about cleaning. Include 100 bags. Very convenient as disposable piping bags. Cons: it is poorly sealed seams and thin material. Number 2. RICCLE Disposable Piping Bags. The great thing about disposable piping bags is that you can use them even without the tips and the coupler. All you have to do is cut the tip on the narrow side of the bag and you're good to go. Just don't cut a hole too big. On the other hand, you can use these piping bags with any tip or coupler. They can be adjusted to any size of coupler you have, so you'll be able to make any kind of shape you like: stars, flowers, lines, patterns, letters, dots, or anything else that pops into your mind. They are extremely easy to use. Just cut the bag, put the coupler or tip in, pour the filling into the bag, and start squeezing. And in this package, you will get 100 piping bags, which is more than enough to keep you supplied for a very long time, either for home or professional use. Even if you use it quite often, or even if you use more than one bag at the same time to get different colors, they will last for a long time. Their size of 12 inches is suitable for playing around with more than one color when decorating. These piping bags are disposable but very thick and reliable. Even though they are made of plastic, they are non-slip, strong, flexible, and don't burst under constant pressure. But besides macarons, you can use them for cupcakes, cookies, pastries, and chocolate garnish, or to pipe cheese, butter, jelly, and much more. Number 3. Muya Piping Bag Kit. This 12 x 7 inches piping bag is reusable because it is made of good quality TPU non-toxic material. This set only comes with one bag, but it is a very flexible, durable, long-lasting bag. It will fit into your hand perfectly and is anti-slip and easy to use. Even after long use, there is no corrosion, bad smells, or stains. The bag is very strong and is good for piping several colors at once or a large amount of icing/frosting. Also, you can change the tips easily, so you can let your imagination go wild when decorating. Play around with shapes and colors. The package contains a 12-inch piping bag made of silicone material, a plastic coupler, and 6 icing tips made of stainless steel. All pieces are reusable. This set is ideal for making cupcakes, but it is also great for decorating all sorts of cakes, cookies, and pies. It is leak-proof and tear-proof, so you can decorate your cakes without worrying about the bag bursting. The great thing about this piping bag is that it is easy to clean since it is smooth on the inside. You can wash it with water easily, or wash it in the dishwasher. Not every piping bag is dishwasher safe, but this one is, and it can make your life that much easier. The bonus mini spatula is perfect for scooping out the icing and getting into tight spaces. It is also great for spreading frost. Number 4. Weedy Pastry Piping Bags. Made of non-slip LDPE plastic that is BPA-free, non-toxic, and tasteless, this bag is one you can feel safe about using for your family. The material is extra thick to withstand more powerful extrusion, so there is no bursting while decorating, allowing you to apply as much pressure you want. The opening is wide, making these bags easy to fill, and the transparent design can help show you how much icing you have used. 2 couplers are included to help you easily change piping tips without Wasting frosting, made of non-slip and BPA-free P plastic, non-toxic and tasteless, ensuring your family is kept completely safe and ideal for use with hot or cold foods. 16-inch, perfect for making enough treats for a whole office or classroom. Wide opening makes bag easy to fill. Transparent plastic makes it simple to anticipate refills. Weedy Disposable Decorating Bag Set is a multi-purpose decorating tool designed for professional and home bakers alike. Anyone who loves to get creative with baked goods will appreciate these pastry bags, and the durable construction means you never have to worry about the bags bursting during use. Number 5. Keenpioneer 16-inch Disposable Cake Decorating Bags. These clear plastic bags have good thickness and flexibility, and they come in an easy-to-use dispenser box. They are available in two sizes, 10 inches and 16 inches for larger projects. And since they're disposable, cleanup is easy. If you're doing decorating work with many different colors or products, time saved in not having to clean or change bags in between is substantial. The downside is their ecological footprint and lack of artisan feel. Keenpioneer is a 16-inch piping bag that you can use for any pastry decoration. It is easy to use and comes with a dispenser so that you can easily store the kit. You can use it as a frosting piping bag even without tips. Awesome, right? It features an anti-slip surface that makes it easy to grip when you decorate your pastries. What's more, you can use these bags for all sort of hot filling as it can withstand temperature within 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It also comes with a dispenser for hygienic storage. Pros: dispenser packaging for easy use, compatible with most frosting tips and couplers, extra thick bags for durability. Cons: doesn't come with accessories.